Hello, welcome to How I Played It. My name is Mono Mukundu. I'm a Zimbabwean producer and session guitarist who is featured on more than 1,000 albums. This is part of my short series of demonstrations on how I played some of my most popular guitar lines. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Mono Mukundu Music. I hope you're going to enjoy. Hello once again. In 2014, I did a project with a group called Kambo boys from UK. They're Zimbabweans based in UK, and this is one of their most popular songs. And today I'm going to explain how I played the song, the lead guitar lines. The rhythm guitar part, I did a tutorial on that one. You can look it up on YouTube. But today I'm going to explain how I played the lead guitar. The song is in the key of G, and the progression is the 1-4-1-5. That's the most commonly used chord progression in Sungura music. So the notes that I played are as follows. That's for the main guitar line. Let me repeat it again. So I'm playing it on the fret, on the 12th fret. So I'm going to play it using the correct tempo. This is how it's supposed to go. I played another guitar line, and the notes goes like then, let me repeat the notes slowly. So the normal tempo, it goes like I'm going to try to play it with the back track. That's about the song. I think I did about 3 guitar lines, but these are the most prominent guitar lines on the song. So meet you on the next episode of How I Played. Thank you for watching.